Ylilauta International. Hello, I am OlumanXXXX, and in this video I'm going to show you how to become more active poster on Ylilauta International. To fully utilize Ylilauta and its best board, International, you have to be active. Being active means you will get more engaged, and it also means you are going to get notifications. You want to get more notifications and more activity points. Activity points are got whenever you post a thread or post reply. So the more you post, the more activity points you are going to get. And you are also probably going to get more notifications. Other posters will notice you and give you their replies and upvotes.
Okay, so I found this material and I wanted to make a video, but I didn't manage to have a lot of ideas, so I just used the ones I wrote before, and it's pretty basic, but okay, I'm going to say them. Okay, so first advice was download photos, which you are going to use beforehand. This is one advice, so you should download photos you're going to use, so it's much faster. Okay, second advice was write thread ideas in notebook during the day. So write ideas you have in a notebook, so you can use them, because during the day you have some ideas and it's much more time than just like 1 minute, 2 minutes when you use Ylilauta. And third is simple. I think I copied this advice from someone else, but it's very good advice. It's post more than you currently do. So you should post more than you do in the present. And okay, that's it. That's some 3 basic advices for you to become more active poster. Hopefully I'll make some more if you want, and hopefully you use these advices to your benefit. Okay, bye.